Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be reviewing for y'all the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Hair Serum, and this is what it looks like. I have been using this for the past couple of weeks because this is like a really popular and raved about hair serum. So I thought that I should put this to test and also let you guys know my thoughts on it as well. And that's what we're going to do today. And in this video I'm also going to show you how I like to style my fine hair as well and get that little bit of volume, and talking about some tips and tricks as well. So I really hope that you enjoy this video and let's get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, let's get started. Before we get started with the video, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the claims on this product. So what they've mentioned is that it cuts frizz, then it just smoothens hair. It also prevents damage from sunlight and protects your hair from heat up to 230 degrees Celsius as well. And also it prevents your hair from breakage. So when I read all of these claims, I was personally really excited to try this product out because I get a lot of frizziness even though I have really fine hair, and it's mostly because of the humid climate that I stay in. So it's very important for me to get a serum that's going to tame down the frizz, but at the same time it has to be lightweight in consistency so that it doesn't weigh my fine hair down. So this is how the product looks like. It comes in a really chic glass bottle and also has a pump which easily dispenses the product. And this is the texture up close. As you can tell that it feels really lightweight, doesn't feel heavy or sticky. The results of this hair serum on my hair have been really amazing, which is why I wanted to make this video for you guys as well and come here and talk about it, because you guys know that I'm extremely picky about my hair products. So when I find a really good one, I definitely want to recommend it to you. As I mentioned earlier as well, that I personally have really fine and frizzy hair, so the serum has to have the right consistency, otherwise it's not going to work for me. But this one does exactly what I wanted to do. So it adds the shine to my hair, then tames down the frizz, at the same time makes my hair more manageable as well. And even though they have mentioned that this is an oil serum, it does not feel greasy or heavy whatsoever. And trust me when I say this, that it feels really lightweight. Now the amount of serum that you use depends on the texture and the type of your hair. Now because I have thin hair, I use literally the tiniest amount of it. But if you ask someone who has thicker hair, then you can go in with a little bit more. And the great thing about this serum is that you can use it in many different ways. So it's a very versatile product, and that's why it's a great investment. I'm just going to list all of the ways that you can use it on the screen, and I'm going to show you how I personally like to use it as well. So this is how my hair looks like once I'm out of the shower and it is damp. Then what I do is I go in with the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Hair Serum, and I use like the tiniest amount of it and apply it on the ends of my hair. Do not apply it to the scalp because it's not needed, so only focus it on the ends. Then I go in with a blow dryer and I blast dry my hair, and this is the trick that I was talking to you about. What I do is I flip my hair and blow dry it in that particular direction, and that's how you get that little bit of bounce and volume. And because I have used the serum prior to blow drying my hair, it is going to make sure that it just feels really smooth and manageable as well. And post that, I'm going to go in with a serum again, and I'm just going to run it again through my hair. And as you can see that it just adds a little bit of shine to my hair and just makes it look healthy. Now I'm going to show you how I like to straighten my hair. So we've already used the serum and prepped our hair, and then I'm going to go in with a hair straightener. And again what I'm doing is I'm going to be flipping my hair and then I'm going to be straightening it. So whenever you do any sort of styling, just always remember to flip your hair, because that's how you're going to get that volume. So I take bigger sections of hair and then I straighten it because I don't want it to look really flat. And also this serum protects your hair from heat damage, which is really great. So it's ideal to use before styling. So if you are someone who is currently only using a shampoo and a conditioner in their routines, I would highly recommend incorporating a serum as well, because trust me, you're going to see the difference in your hair. The serum bottle that I personally have is the 100 ml one, but the great thing is now they have a 30 ml variant in this as well, which is just perfect to travel with. So if you are someone who is always traveling, or you just want something to carry in your bag because you tend to get really frizzy hair, then you can just carry this one with you, which is the mini one, and you can literally tame down your frizz, or just add a little bit of shine in your hair on the go. So the 30 ml bottle costs for only 299 rupees, which is so cost effective and such a steal. So definitely get your hands on the smaller bottle for that instant fix on the go, and then you can obviously get the bigger bottle for your everyday styling. Also, I'm going to be doing a really fun giveaway because I haven't done one in a really long time, and I'm going to be giving away 2 of these serums. So one lucky winner is going to get the 100 ml bottle of the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Hair Serum, and another winner is going to get the smaller variant in this, which is the 30 ml one. So there are 2 winners, and all you have to do is comment down below, tag your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, and all of the details of the giveaway will be mentioned in the description box below, so do check them out. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and found it informative and helpful, and I highly recommend you guys checking out this particular product as well. I really love it personally, which is why I'm recommending it to you, and also all of the links will be mentioned in the description box below if you want to get it for yourselves. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram as well for more such content, and I will see you guys later. Love you.